Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's digital world, PDF files have become the universal standard for sharing documents, whether for work, study, or official records. However, the real challenge isn't just opening them, it's having the power to edit, convert, and secure them without needing expensive or overly complex software. And having a comprehensive and reliable PDF toolkit on your computer is essential for saving time and maintaining professional results. Today, I'll show you a powerful tool that greatly simplifies these tasks. This tool is called Jopdf. I'll explain how to download and install it on your computer, and we'll also explore the application's key features. Okay, the first thing we need to do is download the application. Open your favorite internet browser, and in the address bar, type jopdf.com. This is the official website of the application, and avoid any unofficial or unsafe links to download the application. The great thing about the application is that it's available for almost all systems, Windows versions, Mac, and various Linux distributions. So you can use it regardless of your device's settings. Since I'm currently using Windows, I'll click on the Windows icon to begin. But before downloading, let's take a quick look at the application's most important features. Remember that this application is completely free and doesn't require any payments, monthly subscriptions, or registration at all. Jopdf gives you complete control over your documents. You can easily edit text, add or replace images, and even manage links directly within the file. Whether you need to rotate a page, crop an image, or resize elements to fit your design. We also have a batch processing feature, which allows you to convert Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and image files to PDF, and vice versa in one go to save your time. And for large files, you can use the compression feature to reduce your PDF size in seconds across 3 different levels, while keeping the original quality perfectly intact. Jopdf also gives you more than 10 annotation tools, available for you to highlight, underline, or draw anywhere on the page, making your notes stand out. And to protect your data, you can easily password protect your sensitive files to prevent unauthorized access, without needing to create an account. With Jopdf, organizing your documents is incredibly easy. You can insert, rotate, and delete pages, or even drag and drop them, to arrange them exactly how you want. And you'll also enjoy a seamless viewing experience for any type of PDF file, with a one-click sharing feature that makes it easy to send your files to anyone. Now that you've seen all these great features and tools, let's go ahead and get Jopdf on your computer. Just scroll back up and click that free download button. You'll see it starts downloading right away. It's a very small and lightweight file, so it'll only take a few seconds to finish. After the download is complete, click on the file you downloaded to begin. Before clicking the Install Now button, I recommend clicking on Custom Installation. This allows you to choose your preferred language and specify where to save the application on your computer. You can also select whether you want Jopdf to be your default PDF viewer. After that, click Install Now. Installation is very quick, taking only about a minute. Once complete, a shortcut will appear on your desktop for easy access. Now, click the Start Now button, and the application will open. Now that we have the application open, let's take a look at the user interface. As you can see, it is designed to be simple and easy to use. To make it even more convenient for you, go to the top right corner and click on the menu icon, those 3 horizontal lines. From there, select Appearance, and you can choose the theme that suits your taste before we begin. Let's take a quick look at the Preferences menu. When you open this window, you'll find the General tab, which allows you to customize how the application works on your computer. Here, you can choose to set Jopdf as your default PDF reader, so all your documents will automatically open from here. You also have the option to completely stop the program once all windows are closed, and a very useful feature, to restore your last viewing settings, meaning the application will remember exactly where you left off when you reopen a document. Finally, directly below that, you can easily change the display language to your preferred language. And by clicking on the Display tab, you can adjust how your documents appear when you open them. You can set the default page width, such as Fits Display, to ensure the text is immediately readable. You can also choose the default page layout, such as Scroll One Page, which is ideal for smooth browsing. Finally, you can select the default cursor mode, so the application starts with the selection tool, or any other tool you use most frequently. Setting these settings now eliminates the need to adjust them every time you open a new PDF file. And we have a final tab called Blank PDF, where you can define the default rules for any new documents you create from scratch within the application. You can choose a default file name and specify the number of pages your new document should start with. You also have full control over the page size. You can use a standard fixed size like A4, or enter custom width and height if you have specific dimensions in mind. Finally, you can choose your preferred orientation, selecting between portrait or landscape, to ensure your new file is exactly as you want it. After adjusting the settings, let's see how easy it is to work with your files. To make changes to a document, click on Edit File, and choose a PDF file. Once it's open, you'll have complete freedom. You can edit any existing text, or add text to the file. The application is very easy to use for editing, and you can also add new images or links anywhere on the page. Additionally, if your file is too large, you can use the compression tool here to reduce its size in the same simple way. If you need to change your document's format, scroll to the top of the page and select Convert. You'll then see a wide range of options for converting your PDF file to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or various image formats. To use the batch processing feature, to handle multiple files simultaneously, the application will prompt you to download a small plugin. Click Install Plugin, and once it's complete, you'll be ready to process all your files at once. Once this plugin is installed, you will save a tremendous amount of time. Now, instead of opening and editing each document separately, you can use all these powerful features to process multiple files simultaneously. Whether you are converting or compressing an entire batch of documents, this window lets you handle everything with a single click, making your workflow faster and more efficient. And in the Annotate tab, you'll see several useful tools for marking up your documents. One of the icons you'll notice looks like a small coffin, which is actually the strike-through tool. You can use this to quickly draw a line through any text you want to indicate should be deleted or ignored. It sits right alongside your other essential markup tools, like highlight and underline, making it very easy to review and edit your files. We have the Page tab. From here, you can easily insert new pages into your file, or split a large document into smaller pieces. If you have multiple files, you can merge them together into one, or even reverse the page order if needed. You also have quick options to rotate individual pages, delete the ones you don't need, or even change the page size of the entire document. It's a complete set of tools for organizing your PDFs exactly the way you want them. Finally, let's look at the Protect tab, which is essential for keeping your private documents safe from prying eyes. When you click on Encrypt, a security window pops up that gives you 2 layers of protection. First, you can set an open password, which means no one can even view the file without the code. Second, you can set a permission password to control exactly what people can do with your document. From here, you can specifically disable printing or prevent anyone from making changes to the content. You can even choose whether or not to allow others to copy text and images. It's a very straightforward way to make sure your sensitive information stays exactly as you intended. Now that we've gone over all the features, let's see how this works in a real-world scenario by merging multiple files at once. Start by clicking on Batch Process and selecting the Merge PDF option. From here, just click the Add button, and in the Browse window, go ahead and select the 2 files you want to combine. Once they are loaded, you can specify exactly what you want the new file to be called and choose your output path, so you know exactly where it will be saved. After that, just hit the Start button. You'll see that the merged file is created almost instantly. This is exactly why I love using Jopdf. It's incredibly simple, fast, and completely free, making it a perfect tool for getting your work done without any hassle. To wrap things up, Jopdf is a fantastic all-in-one solution for anyone who needs to manage PDF documents without the headache of complicated menus or expensive fees. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an IT admin, having these tools at your fingertips, completely for free, is a huge win for productivity. It handles everything from simple edits to complex batch processing with total ease. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and that Jopdf makes your document management a lot smoother. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful software reviews and IT tutorials. If you have any questions about the app or how to use a specific feature, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.